What's up, pilot? This is the LKTOP charging hub for the DJI Flip. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview and a quick demo of this charging hub so that you can decide if it's right for you. This was sent over to me by the brand for the purpose of making this video. So without further delay, let's jump right into it. Let's start off with what comes in the box. Obviously, you're going to get your charging hub. You're going to get a USB-C to USB-C cable and a user manual. So as you can see, I've got a DJI Flip and I've got the stock DJI charging hub. Now the difference obviously right off the bat is this one here only charges 3 batteries. This one here charges 4. But you know, the Fly More combo only comes with 3 batteries anyway. So to have this extra space over here, it's kind of a waste of space, right? So basically, this is going to charge 3 batteries at once. You know, you stack your batteries in like so. Now the difference between these two charging hubs is the DJI hub charges in series, which means that it's going to take the battery with the most charge, top that one off, and go on down the line until it finishes all the batteries. The LKTOP charges in parallel, which means that it's going to charge all 3 batteries at the same time, assuming that you have a power supply sufficient. So I've got a 400 watt power supply here. I've got 200 watt plugs. We're going to plug that in just a moment. Operation is super easy. You've got one button here. This here does a couple of things. This here will do a status check on your battery. So you press it. It's going to give you a status check to let you know what the status of each individual battery is. It also will function as putting the batteries into storage charge and also putting the hub into power supply mode, which means that you can use your batteries to power up things like cell phones or other, USB-C devices. So pretty simple to operate, guys. Again, this is a 100 watt cord here coming off of my power supply there. It's gonna power up, it's gonna do a status check on the batteries, find out where each battery is, and then it's gonna start charging all 3 of them at the same time, as you can see there. So, this here will charge with a 100 watt power supply as well as a 65 watt power supply. If you drop below 65 watts, I think you're gonna start doing the batteries in series, just like with the stock charger. So, like I said, just the benefit of this here, guys, is that, it's going to charge all 3 batteries at the same time, which means that you're going to be able to get in the air faster. Also, the other benefit of this one here is that if you charge your batteries and for whatever reason you can't fly them down, you're not going to be able to get to flying them, you can use the charger to put the battery into storage mode, which means it's gonna drop the battery down to 60% so that you don't ruin your cells. So if you guys are looking for a charging hub for your Flip, or if you want to replace the stock charging hub that came with your Fly More combo so that you can charge all 3 batteries at the same time, I highly recommend this LKTOP. Hope this helps.